Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be adding a video to the problem solving series which I started I think it was a week ago. So for our problem today we have this person from Stack Overflow, and I know this isn't how you're meant to ask questions on Stack Overflow, but I just saw this person was having a little trouble and he's a new contributor, so I decided to make this video for him. Now I'm just going to be building what he wants, and I'm just going to be explaining how it works. So I'll name this Tableview problem, and we'll just save this here. So basically, this guy, I think he's a bit new to Swift and stuff, so I'm just gonna explain along the way. So all he wants to do is create a table view, and when you click on that table view, it will show a button, I think showing the same number. I'm guessing he means with a message. So what I'm going to do is add a table view, and we'll just give this a few constraints. Kabam! Add a cell, give it a identifier called cell, and I'll just join this up over here, table view. I mean, building tables is really simple, and I already have a tutorial on it, so I'm not going to focus on that. And the way I'm going to get that 1 to 10 is create a list and create let numbers. And instead of just like doing 0, 1, 2, I'm just going to do it programmatically so we can make it a lot quicker. So this is probably not quicker, but if we want to modify this in the future, it'll be a lot easier. So I'll just do while I is not greater, I mean it's not equal to 11, I plus 1, numbers, oh, I need to start on 1, doesn't it? And I have to make this 11, numbers.append I, and that should add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 into numbers. Now we can just set up this table view. So I'm going to create an extension, view controller, because it's an extension of a view controller. Then we want UI table view delegate and UI table view data source. Okay, now we can add our protocol subs if we just click fix here, and we're also going to want to set the table views delegate and data source to this view controller dot data source equals self. Okay, so now it's just standard setting up table views. We'll return numbers.count, and for self array we'll create a cell with tableview.dequery cell with identifier cell for index path cell.text label.text equal to numbers index path dot row. This stuff is all just standard setting up table views. Then we can just return the cell. Alright, now if we run this right now, what you'll see is let's just convert this to string by just converting that there. So if I run this right now, what we'll end up with is numbers 1 to 10, but if we click on them, nothing will happen. So there we go. So if you click on them, you can see nothing happens. And to make something happen with this, all I'm going to do is create a new function, did select, and this is what we're going to use. So we're going to create a alert using alert controllers. So UI alert controller, and I also have a tutorial on this, but basically all we're doing is title, and then I'm guessing he wants the title to be the number, so I'll just make this a string numbers index path dot row message. I'll just leave the message as blank. Then we want this as a dot alert. Now we want to add an action so we can actually get out, and this is just going to be called OK dot cancel. Oh, not default. You want a cancel, and it's not going to have a handler. Now we can just present this alert. Present alert. True and nil again. Alright, and there we go. We've completed this problem, and this problem will probably get closed later because it's not like the right way to use Stack Overflow, but I'm just going to do this anyway. So, I guess we can also deselect that so it doesn't look a bit odd. Dex path, true. Now if we run this again, we can see it just looks quite natural. So yeah, I've solved this problem, and this will probably get removed later on, but this was just a fun problem to solve. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a future tutorial. Bye. If you have any more questions you want to ask or things you want to be solved, then comment down below.